So the story goes like this. After a canceled flight, two delayed flights after that, then a car accident in the taxi on my way from the airport to my hotel. This truck ran into our van and that caused a delay. Everybody's fine, but another delay. I finally made it here to University of Nebraska, Omaha, where I'm teaching a workshop on AI tomorrow. So the lesson here is make sure you have margin in your life. I used to live my life in a way where I didn't have any margin, no extra time, no extra money. I was always running late to stuff. I was always coming up short when it came to cash. And I decided to change my life and like look at things differently. And when it came to this trip, I knew that I had to teach this workshop in the morning. So when I booked my flight, I always give myself grace to where I see that there are backup flights that I could get if something goes wrong. So I'm always planning out in my mind, like, okay, worst case scenario, if something happens with this flight, then I can get one of these next two or three flights, or I could fly out in the morning. Or if all flights were delayed or canceled, then I could drive. I calculate how long does it take to drive to the city where I'm going to speak. So I have all these backups and backups and backups in my mind, and I used to not think that way. So I encourage you, if you don't think that way, if you don't have backups in your mind, redundancies, like plans in place for if something goes wrong or something doesn't work out ideally, I encourage you to shift gears and put some margin in your life. One of my favorite superheroes is Iron Man. And if you follow the Marvel movies and you look at every progression, every Iron Man movie and every Avengers movie, Iron Man gets a little bit smarter. He does some improvements to his tech, to his suit, and he puts backups and redundancies in place so that the other thing that happened last time doesn't happen again. So try to think like Tony Stark, like Iron Man. Implement some of that in your life. And if you want a book to help you do that, go and grab my book, Done. Let AI do your work so you can live your life. It is out now for pre-order. It's not supposed to drop until my birthday, May 20th. So depending on when you're listening to this, it may or may not be out yet. But if you catch it on May 20th, you can get it for the low, low, low price of $1.99 on Amazon. $1.99. That's as low as my publisher would let it go for because we want to encourage everyone to go buy it on that day, on May 20th, on my birthday. So as a birthday present to me, you can go spend $10. I'm sorry, you can spend $2 and learn how to build AI agents so you can get more margin in your life. If you're out here still chatting with ChatGPT, man, you haven't even scratched the surface of what AI can do. And you don't have to be a coder. You don't have to be a developer. Listen, I was an art major in college. You all know that I'm not a coder, but if I can figure this stuff out, you can too. I have agents that run my life for me, and I built them with plain English. The book walks you through it step by step. Done. That's the name of the book. Done. The reason it's named that is because that's the messages that I get back in a text message when I text my AI agents and I give them a task to do. And this is actually doing stuff like sending emails, like doing inbox triage or posting blogs on my behalf or posting social media to all my accounts. They just reply, done. And it's good. It's like in my voice, it's written well, the editing videos done. I mean, it's mind blowing what they're able to do and what a time to be alive. If you want someone to walk you through it in plain English, not nerd tech bro talk, like I'm talking about plain English with storytelling and anecdotes and metaphors and analogies that you can understand so you can apply this today. And this is whether you own your own business or you have a side hustle or you're an employee and maybe you want to run your own business one day or just have something on the side, make some extra cash. This book will teach you how to do it. You can literally have employees who are not human, but can perform just as well as humans do. And it only costs you like maybe a couple of $100 a month. Compare that to like a $50,000, $60,000 salary per person. You can have a whole team of AI agents for a couple $100 a month. Plain English. You can build them, you can continue to train them and refine them. There's really not much that an AI agent can't do that any type of virtual assistant with a computer could do for you. I mean, think about that. There's not much that an AI agent can't do that a virtual assistant on a computer can't do for you. So, and a lot of times it's better than what humans can do. And I know a lot of people, AI is getting a lot of hate right now. People are talking about AI replacing jobs and it taking up water and energy, all this stuff. Listen, it's inevitable. You're not going to stop it. You taking a shower uses just as much water. You watching Netflix or scrolling through TikTok, it consumes just as much water. Go look it up, do the research for yourself before you run out here crying about how it's bad for the environment. Plus, even if it is bad for the environment, it's not going anywhere. So you not using it is not going to make it go away. It's just going to make you fall behind because everyone else who is using it is going to excel ahead. People like me, people who come to my open claw classes and to my AI workshops who are implementing these things right now and building a team of assistants to help them achieve their goals, to collapse time, to achieve your 5-year goals in like 5 weeks. Like you can really do this now. Like it feels like science fiction, but it is real. And I want you to get that feeling. I want you to get that feeling when you get that message from your AI agent and he or she is like done. Like I did that thing that has been on your to-do list for the past 8 months. It's done. All right. So go get it right now on Amazon. Make sure you get it from whatever country you're in. If you go to donebook.ai, that's the website. Donebook.ai. DONEBOOK.ai. That's the website I want you to go to because it has all of the different country links. And I need you to buy the book, the digital version. It's $1.99 during the launch, only during the launch. The price is going to go up. It's only going to be like $1.99 for like 24 hours or 48 hours. And then the price is going to go to regular price. Go grab the digital copy. The print version will be out soon, but this is your head start to get the digital copy, and that will help us get more exposure for the book overall when everybody buys the book during the launch. So $1.99 from Amazon. Donebook.ai is the shortcut that will take you to whatever your country page is. So you buy it in your country, and that will help generate more exposure for the book and really teach more people about AI so they don't make AI to be the villain or to be the bully. If you feel like AI is bullying you, bully the bully. Learn it. Learn how to make it benefit you in your life. That's what this book is all about. So you can create more free time, more margin so that you don't get caught up, so that you don't end up in situations where you miss out on things because you didn't have the extra margin, the extra time. That's why I'm able to be here. I'm teaching at the University of Nebraska, Omaha, UNO. That's pretty cool. I'm teaching an AI workshop all on how to build agents tomorrow. We have a packed room. It's over capacity, and it's going to be like a 4-hour workshop where we just dig deep and people build real agents real time. This is transformative stuff. Transforms your business, transforms your life. You can use these agents for personal stuff, for business stuff, for health, for as your therapist. I mean, but these can actually do things. It's not just chatting with ChatGPT or Claude. No, we're going way past that. So if you've ever heard about OpenClaw or Hermes agent or Codex, Claude Code, and you're like, I'm not sure how to use these things. Like, if they seem intimidating to you, get the book, donebook.ai. Grab it. Happy birthday to me. I appreciate you, love you, and I will see you next time.